that we'll be doing is matching shapes using paper cup. With this activity, the baby will learn to use her hands and eye coordination, combining the cups with a similar shape. She will grab the cup and stuck the other shape to the paper bowl. And while doing this, the caregiver would give her encouragement, positive words, and see the child enjoying this age-appropriate activity. Matching image with paper cup is a cool game that kids find two pictures that look the same, like a magical treasure hunt where she uncovered the hidden secret under the cup. When they find the right matches, it's like solving mystery and makes them super smart. The game helps the kid practice paying attention and remembering things, which is great for school and life. The age of the kid is 3 years old, toddler. Gender is female. Family background is both parents are working with one child. Abilities or disabilities, no disabilities. Loves to interact but shy. Appearance is innocent, cute, and adorable. Cultural beliefs and practices Filipino. Temperament is quiet but cheerful. Interest loves music, colorful objects, doodling, and coloring. Peer group acceptance, membership or isolation, well cared and loved. With this activity, we'll be using paper cup or paper bowl with shapes on top of it, and we're going to use crayons. The recommended crayons is non-toxic for children. Now I will report. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hi, BBA. Gusto ka na, BBA? Kumusta ang araw mo? Diba mahilig ka sa crayon? Magkukulay tayo mamaya. Pero, tuturuan muna kita ng shapes. Dito sa shape, may 5 tayo ng five different shapes. Pen pala itong cups natin. So, matchy-match yan. Tapos, i-stack mo or ipag-combine mo yung same shape. Diba? Ito ay triangle. Triangle. Meron siyang 3 sides. So, triangle. Saan dyan? Sa mga cup na yan, BBA, ang triangle sa tingin mo. Ito ba? Ito ba? So, baka naman ito, BBA. Ito, triangle ba yan? Nasaan? Ito, sa tingin mo, triangle ba ito, BBA? So, i-stack mo nga kung saan yung triangle. Ipag-ano mo kung ano yung itsura, pareho dapat. Tama, very good, BBA. Pareho nga siyang triangle. Pareho silang may 3 sides. Next, BBA, ano gusto mong shape Sure ka ba, baby, na cross or X yan? Medyo box din naman siya, kaya lang parang may iba pa siyang match. Parang hindi ako sure kung yan ba yan. Hanapin natin yung tutugma. Sure ka na ba? Tulungan kita. Wait lang. Nasa na ba yun? Yan, tama. Yan nga yung tamang shape. Next. Ito. Anong shape to? Heart. Heart. Okay. So, alin dyan yung heart, baby? Very good, baby. Yan nga yung heart. Ito naman, anong shape to, baby? Ito ay may apat na sulok. Square. Square ito, baby. Square. Next, hanapin natin yung square. Galing naman ng baby ko. Baby ko na siya. Galing naman ni baby. Galing niya. Nakuha niya ang square. Square. O yung last natin na shape ay star. So, andyan yung last na shape. Star. Siyempre. Star. Tama, baby. Ngayon, baby, dahil alam ko naman na favorite mo mag-color. Ito yung color. Pwede mong kulayan yung mga gilid nung cup. Gilid nung cup. At dahil po